Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to disable not safe for view content on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So to do it, it's quite simple. All you need to do is just open your Reddit application, and here you need to go to your settings on your profile. So click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and here you need to click on settings. Once you've done that, you can see two filters. You can see the filter of blur not safe for view images, and it also includes videos. So if you turn it off, video and images 18 plus won't be blurred, and you will be able to watch them right now. But if you click on blur these images will be blurred, and to see it, first of all, you need to open them. And also you can disable not safe for work content, and Reddit won't show you not safe for work content. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.